Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this staircase dolly that this brand sent to me for this video. We're gonna do a short demo in a little bit, but the bottom line of this one is, as you can see over here, this one moves on a flat surface, and for a flat surface, it's gonna be around 500 pounds limit, and on a staircase like this one, for example, it's gonna be 360 pounds limit. Still, that is actually a lot of weight, but this one you can check how easy this one goes on and off. But the things that I like about this one is, number one, how easy it is to use and how nice it is for storage purposes, like this one, for example. Check it out. You can actually see how this one, you can put it in a storage position, like behind a door or something like that. Super nice and easy. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna actually check it out right here on the stairs. So you have two options. You can do this right here and move it kind of like on a flat surface. You don't have to be barefoot. This is what I'm doing right now because I'm gonna get on the stairs. But this one you can see goes like this, super easy, and then you can put your feet in here, and that's how it's gonna actually rest on that place. You can see that this one is not moving, it's not folding because of the 8 wheels, the 2 small ones, and the 6 big one on the back. You can actually strap it if you want, but again, since it's a big platform, it's not gonna have an issue. Let's check it out. What we're gonna do right here, we're gonna go up. You can see how this one goes up, no issues at all, just a minimum kind of like an effort while we're doing this one, and it goes up without any issues at all. Again, it can be good for boxes, it can be good for something heavy like this, it can be good for kind of like appliances and things like that. Super easy to use, it has a really good amount of weight limit, and of course it works perfectly as a storage purpose and also for kind of like taking things up on a second or third floor. I like it. I do recommend it.